Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
In Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki and his Deputy Right Honorable Philip Shuaibu are at Daggers drawn over which senatorial district should produce the next governor. In the following commentary, Inside the Niger Delta examines the propriety of Right Honorable Shuaibu's governorship ambition, which has left him on a collision course with the governor.
After many weeks of media speculation that there was no love lost between Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki and his deputy, Right Honorable Philip Shuaibu, the second citizen of the state had in July this year admitted that their relationship had become frosty. According to Right Honorable Shuaibu, he was at loggerheads with the governor for indicating his interest to contest the November 2024 governorship election in Edo State. The deputy governor also revealed that he was no longer in the good books of the governor, who had accused him of dining with his enemies. Few weeks later, Governor Obaseki openly accused Right Honorable Shuaibu of working against his interest, citing an instance where the deputy governor attempted to produce a speaker for the Edo State House of Assembly in connivance with 5 lawmakers of the All Progressives Congress (APC) in the House. The governor alleged that his deputy had become too desperate to succeed him and would stop at nothing to actualize his ambition, which was not in the interest of Edo State. Governor Obaseki is reportedly shopping for a successor from Edo Central Senatorial District. The reason for the governor's decision is that he is a product of Edo South, while Right Honorable Shuaibu and immediate past Governor Adams Oshomole are from Edo North Senatorial District. For the governor, it stands to reason that the governorship of Edo State be zoned to Edo Central Senatorial District in 2024. These appear to be the most trying times for Right Honorable Shuaibu throughout his political career. In July this year, the embattled deputy governor filed an ex parte motion at an Abuja Federal High Court to prevent an alleged impeachment plot against him. However, Governor Obaseki and Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, have since denied the allegation. Over the past few weeks, the media has feasted on the altercation between Governor Obaseki and his deputy. As a matter of fact, all the incidents reported in the media suggest that the rift between the duo has further degenerated as the Edo State governorship election gets underway in November 2024. Last month, there was a commotion during a church service at the new Festival Hall of Government House, Benin, when an operative of the Department of the State Security reportedly prevented the deputy governor from meeting with Governor Obaseki. The governor's chief press secretary, Andrew Okungbowa, in his reaction, said his principal did not instruct the security personnel to carry out the action. However, subsequent events had suggested that Okungbowa's reaction was a damage control. During the 60th anniversary of the Midwest referendum organized by the Edo State government recently in Benin City, the state capital, Right Honorable Shuaibu staged a walkout after his aides were denied entry at the event. Only last week, the Edo State government disbanded the media crew of the deputy governor for allegedly breaching protocol at the event. Governor Obaseki's position on power rotation in Edo State may appear innocuous, but it infringes on the fundamental rights of his deputy to aspire to the exalted office of the governor at the same time. This is because zoning of political offices is alien to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and remains a gentleman's agreement in political context where it is applicable. In any case, there have been several instances where the principle of power rotation has been jettisoned based on popular demand. In Rivers State, for instance, immediate past Governor Nyesom Wike, a politician of Ikwere extraction, succeeded his kinsman Rotimi Amechi and governed the state from 2015 to 2023. After 8 years in office, former Governor Wike had left indelible footprints in infrastructure development in the state, particularly in Port Harcourt and its environs. Also worthy of note was President Bola Tinubu's choice of a Muslim-Muslim ticket, which did not in any way scuttle his presidential ambition. In the politics of 2024, Not a few Edo politicians have dismissed Governor Obaseki's zoning mantra as irrelevant to their political ambitions. For instance, immediate past president of the Nigerian Bar Association, Olumide Akpata, and Honorable Ehiozuwa Agbonaim, both from Edo South, are in the governorship race on the platforms of the Labour Party and All Progressives Congress. This goes to show that the governor's position on zoning does not go down well with the majority of Edo people. Evidently, Governor Obaseki's main target is his deputy, whose ambition he is out to kill at all costs. Governor Obaseki and Right Honorable Shuaibu, now strange bedfellows, were elected on the platform of the APC in their first term. In 2020, they defected to the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and secured a ticket to seek re-election when they both fell out with Senator Adams Oshiomhole, immediate past governor of the state. All along, Shuaibu had stood with the governor in demonstration of his loyalty and commitment to the liberation of Edo State from political tyranny. That Governor Obaseki is now practicing what he once preached against leaves much to be desired. For too long, since Nigeria's transition to democratic rule in 1999, deputy governors have been regarded as spare tires in the wheels of governance, and as such have been relegated to the background. This is in spite of the fact that they are elected through joint tickets with state governors with whom they swim and sink together. Common sense demands that deputy governors should have considerable latitude to function properly as elected officials, allowed to exercise their constitutional rights and pursue their political aspirations without undue interferences from state governors. It is on this premise that Governor Obaseki can be seen as a meddlesome interloper trying to scuttle the political aspiration of his deputy for no just cause. The governor is expected, therefore, to quickly mend fences with his deputy and allow the will of the generality of Edo people prevail in the forthcoming governorship election.
Inside the Niger Delta,